Hi, my name is Adeel Chowdhry. I'm from Leeds. I've been doing internet marketing for a few years, mainly affiliate marketing, but the main reason I'm here today at Adeel's workshop is to learn more about product creation.
On the first day of this event, I've learned a lot actually. It was mind-blowing. I learned about sales funnels. I didn't know what was a funnel. Different stages. It's very technical. It's very in-depth. And other people are not teaching this on the internet. They're giving you pieces of the puzzle, but not everything. And what I liked with this event is like Adeel and his brother were giving everything.
If you know what PDF is, they're basically just documents turned into a PDF format. I'm sure you've downloaded a PDF at some point. And when we launch our products, we type them up ourselves. They're very, very quick to do. Hey guys, Fahim Zafar here. He's attended one of my workshops.
For me, it was pretty straightforward. I've worked in a variety of different areas, and I was a sales manager. And the amount of work I had to put in to get the results was phenomenal. The hours, time away from the family, from the kids.
How many hours are we talking about? Give me numbers.
14 to 16 hours a day was just an average day.
Right now, people right here, their lives have already changed on day one. Your life can change too. Take the action right now. Go ahead and click the link either above or below